Imagine a world where life has no inherent meaning, a world where the universe is indifferent and the search for purpose is met with silence. This is the world of Albert Camus, a philosopher, novelist, and Nobel laureate who dared to confront the absurdity of existence and find beauty in the struggle. Camus' work explores the human condition with unflinching honesty, offering insights into freedom, rebellion, and the courage to live authentically. Camus begins with a simple yet profound observation: life is absurd. In the Myth of Sisyphus, he writes, "You will never be happy if you continue to search for what happiness consists of. You will never live if you are looking for the meaning of life." The absurd arises from the clash between our desire for meaning and the universe's silence. Yet Camus does not despair. Instead, he challenges us to embrace the absurd and find freedom within it. For Camus, the only way to confront an unfree world is through rebellion. He declares, the only way to deal with an unfree world is to become so absolutely free that your very existence is an act of rebellion. Rebellion, for Camus, is not just a political act, it is a way of life. It is the refusal to accept the absurd as a prison and the determination to live with integrity. Camus also explores the paradox of human nature. He observes, man is the only creature who refuses to be what he is. We are torn between our desire for meaning and our awareness of life's absurdity. Yet, it is in this tension that we find our humanity. Even in the face of despair, Camus finds hope. He writes, "In the depth of winter, I finally learned that within me there lay an invincible summer. This inner resilience is the key to living authentically. It is the courage to face life's challenges without succumbing to despair." Camus urges us to live fully, even in the face of uncertainty. He advises, live to the point of tears. This is not a call to sorrow, but to passion, to embrace life with all its joys and sorrows, its triumphs and defeats. For Camus, creativity is a way of transcending the absurd. He writes, "To create is to live twice. Through art, literature, and imagination, we give shape to our experiences and find meaning in the act of creation." Camus also critiques the pressures of conformity. He observes, nobody realizes that some people expend tremendous energy merely to be normal. In a world that demands conformity, Camus reminds us of the cost of denying our true selves. Ethics, for Camus, are essential to a meaningful life. He warns, a man without ethics is a wild beast loosed upon this world. Without moral principles, we risk losing our humanity in the pursuit of power or survival. Camus emphasizes the importance of the present moment. He writes, real generosity towards the future lies in giving all to the present. The future is uncertain, but the present is ours to shape. By living fully in the here and now, we create a legacy of meaning and purpose. Camus also values the power of connection. He famously said, "Don't walk in front of me, I may not follow. Don't walk behind me, I may not lead. Walk beside me, just be my friend." In a world of absurdity, friendship and solidarity are sources of strength and hope. Camus' philosophy is not about finding easy answers. It's about asking the right questions. He writes, "Seeking what is true is not seeking what is desirable." Truth, for Camus, is not always comforting, but it is essential for living authentically. In the Myth of Sisyphus, Camus offers a powerful metaphor for the human condition. He writes, "The struggle itself towards the heights is enough to fill a man's heart. Like Sisyphus, condemned to roll a boulder up a hill for eternity, we find meaning not in the outcome, but in the effort itself." Camus reminds us that even in the darkest moments there is light. He writes, "There is no sun without shadow, and it is essential to know the night. By embracing both the light and the dark, we find a deeper, more nuanced understanding of life. The ideas of Albert Camus challenge us to confront the absurdity of existence with courage and creativity. By embracing the struggle, living authentically, and finding meaning in the present, we can navigate the complexities of life with grace and resilience. I'm grateful for the moments shared in discourse. May our paths cross again in the fullness of time.